Poor visibility on rainy days not only poses a danger, but also affects people's moods. If you want to buy rainproof products, there are so many options. Which one is the best? Don't just listen to others, listen to what science has to say.
Hello everyone, we are crosign.
Advertisements may not tell the truth, but science does. Therefore, we tested all the retail products. As a result, most rainproof products on the market have poor effectiveness, and a few that are effective but not durable. Unsatisfied with these results, we spent 4 months and finally found CA160-SuperHydrophobic film, a nanomaterial that is both super waterproof and durable. Don't believe it? Let us show you the results of our testing. We tested CA160 along with the most popular products, including the well-known Soft 99 Glaco. We simulated heavy rain by directly pouring water on these products, and all of them passed the test. Compared to heavy rain, light rain is actually more challenging because small raindrops are less likely to slide off. Products with hydrophilic coatings that blur vision are eliminated, as well as those with insufficient hydrophobic properties. Only Glaco and CA160 passed the tests. Because the contact angle should be greater than 120 degrees to be considered a good hydrophobic material. Other products did not exceed 100 degrees, while Glaco and CA160 surprisingly exceeded 150 degrees. Product effectiveness is important, but durability is equally important. First, we used a dental water jet to simulate the force of rain at a speed of 70 km per hour. CA160 was sprayed for 5 seconds without any problems, while Glaco failed in just 5 seconds. Perhaps the dental water jet was too harsh, so we switched to a gentle stream of water.
3 hours later.
After 3 hours, Glaco still couldn't hold up. But CA160 still works pretty good. It seems that durability is a weak point for this type of spray-on product. After a series of tests, CA160 is the most effective and the most durable. Its powerful secret lies in the use of surface nano-needle to achieve physical hydrophobicity. As long as the structure is not damaged, it will be effective permanently. It's useful for helmet visors, rear-view mirrors, and also camera lenses. It's easy to apply, does not release solvents, and is safe and non-toxic. CA160-SuperHydrophobic film has passed scientific tests, that's why crosign highly recommends it.